Hello guys, good afternoon. Please welcome back to my channel guys, Beauty Lupis. Andito tayo. Andito tayo guys sa Holy Cross guys. Visit tayo. Andito tayo kay Mama Mary guys. Actually nasa bahay ang image ni Mama Mary at kukunin na nila sa Sunday. Naka 2 months din siya sa bahay guys. 2 months or more than 2 months guys. Ngayon, nandito ako ngayon nag-visit dito sa Holy Cross. Ayan. Tignan din yung mga flowers dito sa kanyang altar, guys. Oh, ang gaganda. Hindi ako Ayan na yung rose, oh. Ayan, guys. Ang gaganda ng flowers dito sa altar ni Mama Mary, guys. Ayan si Mama Mary. Tayo sa Holy Cross guys. Ang gaganda. May mga kalamansi rin. Ayan. Please ask Mama Mary. Thank you. Ayan guys. Ayun din yung lucky plants nila. Yun ang lucky flowers nila guys. Ang mga Chinese New Year. Pang Chinese New Year. Ito tayo sa Holy Cross guys. Doon naman oh, marami. Hindi na ako nakapag-walis dito guys. Hindi na ako nakapag-volunteer na maglinis dito. Oh, matagal na guys. Ayan oh. Dati nagbo-volunteer akong nagwawalis dito guys. Ayan. Sinasama ko yung mga brothers ko, nagwawalis kami dito guys. Nung nagka-whitey, ay Diyos ko, wala na tayong pagkakataon. Forgive me God. Ayan guys. Ayan. Please watch my video guys. We are here in Holy Cross. Ayan. Nag-drop by tayo dito guys. Baba na tayo. Gaganda ng kulay ng bulaklak nito guys. Sulit din siya kaya lang ayan, madali itong masira guys. Pero ang ganda ng pagka-orange niya. Ayan. Ang ganda ng bulaklak nila oh. Ano na siya guys? 50 na ang apat. Mura-mura na pala. Mura-mura na pala. Ayan guys, oh. Naganda. 50 na daw ang apat guys. So, ayan. Nagpapalaos na sila guys. Pero ito 50 ang isang ganyan. Gaganda nila guys. Yan. Chinese New Year flowers for Chinese New Year. Yan guys, mga kalamansi. Ayan guys, oh, tingnan ninyo oh, ang kanilang king. Yan. Mga kalamansi guys. Dito sa baba namin ito guys. Ayun oh, kanilang Buddhas. Diba? Mga Buddhas. Ay, ang lakit dito. Yan guys oh. Swertihin tayo guys. Swertihin tayo. Hello, blessed afternoon guys. Please welcome back to my channel, Beauty Lupis. Migalam shout out guys. Migalam shout out to all very supportive friends. Please come and watch my video. Look at these very beautiful flowers guys. Lovely, lovely flowers guys. Oh, tignan ninyo ang gaganda nila guys. Yan. ito ang madadaanan natin guys. Oh. Uy, ang ganda yung pula. Or peach. Yan guys. Orange. Pula. Ang ganda niya guys. Ang ganda. Oh yeah. Watch my video guys. Mega love shout out. Ganda na madaanan natin guys. Oh. Yan. Tanim nila. Super gandang kulay guys. Makulay ang buhay kapag ganito ang bulaklak sa tabi-tabi guys. Ayan oh. Ang gaganda ng kulay. Ang ganda sa mata guys. Some hearts are stone. Open your heart to all of those years. Baby, you look through a rainbow of tears. You watch your dreams all fading away. This time you're right. Oh, you make my day. Years me gone, but I still love you and I want you to know. Some hearts are diamonds, some hearts are stone. Some days you tired of being alone. Some hearts are diamonds, some hearts are stone. It takes two lovers to be as one. We're gonna shout out friends in white all over the world. Thank you for watching. Please stay connected. Stay sweet. Stay sweet like a sugar or honey. Oh yeah. We gotta shout out guys. The oceans of love, they'll come and they'll go. Trust in your heart, baby, your love will grow. Your silent tears, they're so full of pride. Baby, I know that you can run and hide. You would love like I do. Some hearts are diamonds, some hearts are stone. Some days you're tired of being alone. Some hearts are diamonds, some hearts are stone. Some hearts are diamond. Bye-bye.